Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself. Anna and Maria had been best friends since childhood. They grew up on the same street and went to the same school. They shared everything: secrets, dreams, and laughter. But one day, Maria received important news. Her family was moving to another country for her father's work. Maria felt scared and excited at the same time. She did not know how to tell Anna. Finally, she called her best friend. "I have something important to tell you," Maria said. Anna heard the sadness in her voice. "My family is moving to Canada next month," Maria explained. There was silence on the phone. Anna felt her heart break into pieces. "But we will always be friends," Maria added quickly. "I know," Anna replied, "but it won't be the same." The weeks before the departure passed too quickly. The two friends spent every moment together. They looked at old photos and remembered happy times. They laughed about their childhood adventures. One time, they had built a secret fort in the garden. Another time, they had gotten lost in the forest. They had always found their way back together. Anna made a scrapbook full of memories for Maria. Maria gave Anna her favorite necklace. "Keep this and think of me," Maria said. The day of goodbye finally arrived. Maria's family packed the car with suitcases and boxes. The house looked empty and strange without furniture. Anna stood on the street, holding back tears. The two friends hugged for a long time. "I will write to you every week," Maria promised. "And I will call you every Sunday," Anna added. "Maybe you can visit me in Canada one day," Maria suggested. Anna smiled through her tears. "I will save money for a plane ticket," she said. Maria's mother called her to the car. It was time to go. Maria walked slowly to the car. She turned around one last time and waved. Anna waved back until the car disappeared around the corner. Then she walked home alone. Her room felt empty without Maria's laughter. But the next morning, she found a letter under her pillow. Maria had written it secretly the night before. "Dear Anna," the letter began. "Distance cannot break our friendship. True friends stay connected in their hearts forever. Thank you for the best years of my life." Anna read the letter 3 times and smiled. Even though Maria was far away, their friendship would last forever. Learn with LingoStories.app.